Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you very beautiful and easy to make crochet flower for baby hat. This is a 2 round flower. I am using 3mm crochet hook for this project and baby soft alize yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot like this, leaving 7 to 8 inches long yarn strand. Then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. Make a slip stitch into the first chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain, draw up a loop like this, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2, then through other 2. So in this way we will make double crochet stitches into this ring. We will make total of 15 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. So I have completed my stitches 1, 2, 3. Into this third chain we are going to make a slip stitch. Our first round is completed. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here also. And into the same chain 3 where we have made slip stitch, we are going to make a double crochet stitch. Now into the very next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1, then into the same stitch make double crochet 2. Now into the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make a slip stitch into the same double crochet stitch where we have made double crochet, and this is our first petal. For the second petal, make a slip stitch first into the next double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Make a double crochet stitch into this same double crochet. Then into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same double crochet stitch. So this is our pattern to make petals. Make 3 more petals with this same pattern. Now in the end make 3 chains, make a slip stitch into this last double crochet stitch, pull the yarn. Because I have to attach this flower to head, so I will leave a long yarn tail. Now cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and these yarn strands will be used to attach this flower to our head. So with the help of this tapestry needle, first of all we will pull this yarn to the back side of flower, and now with the help of this needle I will join this flower to this 0 to 3 month size baby head, and I will attach a bead in the center using starting yarn tail. So this is our beginner friendly flower. I have attached it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.